Welcome to part 2 of our tutorial on how to use the drawing tool in the Elite Technique system. In part 1, we focused on the core tools, the ones you'll use in nearly every project, from drawing fence lines to placing gates and marking out key obstacles. But in this section, we're diving into the lesser used tools, the ones you might not need all the time, but can make a big difference in specific situations. Think of these tools as your support cast. They're not the stars of the show, but they come in clutch when you need to highlight exact points, create reference visuals, or handle uncommon layout needs. Whether you're troubleshooting a unique layout, documenting extra details for your install team, or just trying to communicate something very specific to your customer, these features are there to give you that flexibility. Let's take a closer look at what these tools can do and how to use them effectively when the calls for it. First, we'll have a look at the custom line tool, which behaves just like the fence line tool, which we used in part 1 to draw the fence. Now with the custom line tool, you can draw straight lines, just like with the fence line tool. And when you're done, or you want to close the lines, you just go and click on Finish. The system is going to show you the lengths and also the total length. But unlike the fence line tool, it's not going to tell you how many posts are needed to complete the fence. And since there are no posts, the system won't prompt you to edit the height, width, and design code of the fence. You still get all the features on the right sidebar that you got with the fence line tool, with one major difference. Instead of being able to show or to hide the posts like with the fence line tool, here you have the ability to show or hide the lengths. Note that you can use the Edit tool to straighten any line or to adjust it. Just make sure that you don't get the open hand because that will drag the map. Instead, you need the pointer finger so you can adjust or straighten any of your lines until you're happy with the results. Also, you have to hit save. And if you're not happy with anything on the map, you just use the little trash can until you get the pointer finger again, and you can delete. Remember to hit save as well, so that what you erased does not. Just like in part 1, we had the option of select a pipe or cables to mark obstacles or objects on our drawing or map or image. Here we have the select other tools option. We have 4 options where we can mark a custom build, a finished fence, steps, drill, existing post. It's always going to be the first letter, so if there's a finished fence, it's going to be an F. Just place it where you need it, and there you go. We can always erase it. Remember to hit save. And we can also use this freehand shape tool. Click once to start drawing. Click another time to stop. Click cancel to stop using it. Use the trash can to erase it. You have to get the pointer. Save. We also have shapes. Like for example, as long as you have 3 points, you can make a shape. It erases normal. Save. I can add custom posts, end posts, or blank posts. Custom posts are red, end posts are brown, blank posts are black. End posts and blank posts cannot be placed on the drawing unless there's a fence already drawn. Otherwise, the system will tell you there is no fence. So I'm going to erase everything to show you guys. If I'm going to use one of these and I'm going to place it, the system says there is no fence where gates can be placed. So this is treated as if it were a gate, even though it's a post. Just hit cancel to stop using it. We also have the option of a text box. If you don't want to use the other options, the other tools option, then you can just write whatever you need on the map, wherever you want to position it, and you can change the size of the font. You have different styles and font options to choose from. And you can erase this in a normal fashion. Just click and it disappears completely. You can draw squares, or you can also draw circles. You just click and hold to adapt or change the size to what you want. Remember to always erase everything and save so that you don't have any problems. So that is basically the tools that are not always used but can serve a big purpose for specific situations. Now, most of these tools, just like the fence line tool and the custom line tool, can also be changed here. You also have the features of the sidebar. This is the width, the opacity. So we have many options to play with according to whatever it is we want to do or what we want to show our customers or our install team.